Welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here.
Bay Real Experts.
Coldwell Banker Residential Real Estate.
Panama City Beach, Florida.
And we've got another update for you guys. We sold another property. This one has a cute little story to it. It's kind of a love at first sight story.
Oh, I know. And it happened twice.
Yeah, tell us about it.
So 4008 Woodridge Road. Back in 2014, I met this couple that came to me and said, I want to see this house. We've been looking at it for a while, waiting for it to come on the market and really want to purchase it. And they did. So Kathy and Eddie purchased this home back in 2014. And this year they decided, actually last year, they decided that they're going to move back to Kentucky to be with their family. And we put it in the market.
And we found a cute couple, first-time home buyers. Same thing. They've been driving by the house, they saw it go on the market, and they fell in love with it before they even got to go inside. We had a hurricane, the house went through a little bit of damage.
Got a brand new roof.
Yep, got a brand new roof put on. Went back on the market. We did an open house. They got in there to see it for the first time at the open house, fell in love with it, and here we are. Congrats to both our sellers who were once buyers and now our new friends, new customers who are
first-time home buyers.
First-time home buyers. So
super exciting.
Always a great time to help first-time home buyers and also repeat customers. So very fun, very cute story with this one. It's always nice to be a part of major life events that have so many smiles to go along with it, and now great friends.
So if you have your home that you like to sell it, or if you're looking to buy a home, we would love to help you.
We service Panama City Beach, Panama City, all of Bay County. If you have any real estate needs, we'd love to help you. You know what to do.
Give us a call.
Our contact information is below. And please don't forget to subscribe if you like hearing about these cute stories of how things come together wonderfully in real estate. Yeah. We'll talk to you guys next time.
Thanks so much.
Bye for now.
Bye.